Hello and welcome to the tutorial on the color palette tool and details. In this session, we'll explore the color palette within the worksheet. To get started, click the plus symbol in the color palette section. This will open the palette page where you can select your colors. Adjust the color by dragging the circle to find your desired shade or using the hue bar on the left to pick a specific color. Use the transparency bar at the bottom to control how opaque or transparent you will want the color to be. Access later. You can also organize it into a color collection by clicking Add to Collection. We'll cover color collections in more detail shortly. Next, let's explore the More drop-down menu and select the Input option. Here you can enter specific color codes, such as hex or RGB codes, to pinpoint the exact color you need. You can also use the Auto Detect field to search by name. For example, typing blush will reveal the corresponding color. To adjust a color's transparency, use the alpha field. Entering a value of 1 means full capacity, while 0.5 sets it to 50% transparency. Once you've selected a color, click Add to Selection at the top to include it in your palette. Now, let's look into the From Image option. Here you can upload an image from your computer or use an internet URL to load one. Once uploaded, a red square will appear on the image, which you can move to select a specific shade. At the top, you'll see the 3 most prominent colors within the highlighted square, while the left side displays the dominant colors across the entire image. To choose a color, click on it and then use the Add to Selection option to include it in your palette. The suggested color area is great for building a robust color story. You'll find suggested colors based on your primary selection, including complementary colors, alternate shades, and more. Simply click on the suggested color to select it and use the Add to Selection, Add to Favorites, or Add to Collection options to save it where needed. The Favorites section shows all the colors you favorited, making it easy to access them in the future. The Collection section displays any color collection you created. To select an entire collection, use the drop-down and select All. You can rename or edit collections as needed. Collections are perfect for organizing and reusing sets of colors across multiple events. So, if you see a color scheme clients use often, go ahead and create a collection. The History section keeps track of the last 60 colors you've viewed, making it easy to revisit a previous option if needed. The Selected Colors section displays all the colors you've chosen for the current event using the Add to Selection button, offering a clear overview of your event's palette. The Quick Colors section provides a convenient list of basic colors like red, blue, green, and more for fast selection. Once you've finalized your choices, click the Done button to complete your palette. If you're viewing a color but haven't added it to your selection, a pop-up box will appear. Once your palette is finalized, you can reorder the colors to customize how they appear on your proposal. If you need to remove a color, simply click the trash can icon in the top right corner of the color. This wraps up our walkthrough of the color palette tool. These features allow you to design stunning, cohesive color schemes for all of your events.